In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set YouTube channel as made for kids. Before we start, make sure you are logged into the YouTube account that owns the channel you want to update. This setting is important because it affects how your content is treated in terms of audience and child safety tools. Once you are ready, the first thing to do is open YouTube Studio. You can do this by going to your YouTube dashboard, then selecting YouTube Studio, where you manage your videos, channel settings, and permissions. Now that you are inside YouTube Studio, look for the settings area. You will find a gear icon in the bottom left corner of the interface. Click that gear icon to open the channel and account settings panel. This is where YouTube groups controls for things like advanced options and channel behavior. If you do not see the gear immediately, you may need to slightly scroll or look carefully at the lower left region of the screen. After you click the gear icon, you will see a menu of options. Next, click the section labeled Channel and then choose Advanced Settings. This part of the process is necessary because the Made for Kids option is stored under Advanced Channel Controls rather than the most basic settings. Take a moment to confirm you are in the Advanced Settings area so you do not miss the correct control. On screen, you should see a more detailed list of configuration items related to your channel. Once you are in Advanced Settings, you will look for the specific setting that asks whether your channel is made for kids. The option you need is the one that says, "Yes, set this channel as made for kids." Select that option. This tells YouTube that the channel is intended for children, and it ensures the correct viewer and data handling rules apply. When you choose the Yes option, pay attention to whether it highlights or activates the selection so you know the change is actually being applied. After selecting the Yes option, the final step is to save your change. To do this, click the Save button. This is an important step because selecting the option alone does not always make it permanent. Saving confirms the update and applies it to your channel settings right away. You may see a confirmation message or the settings panel may briefly refresh, indicating that the change was successfully stored. At this point, you have completed the process. Your YouTube channel is now set as made for kids according to the advanced channel setting you selected. If you ever need to review the setting later, returning to the same advanced settings area will let you see your current selection. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.